Hello. So today in this video we will learn about the concept of simple interest, formula of simple interest and the terms which we use while calculating simple interest. All those things we will learn in this video, okay? So first of all we will come to the concept. What is the concept of simple interest? Suppose you have 100 rupees or 1000 whatever, okay? You have 100 rupees or $100 whatever. Suppose you have 100 rupees, okay? So and your dad asks, you have 100 rupees in your money bank, okay? Your dad asks that if you will give me this 100 rupees for 1 year, and then after 1 year I will return you 110 rupees. Instead of 100 he will return you 110, okay? If you will keep your money in your money bank, it will remain 100 only. But if you will give it to your dad, he will return you 110. So what is this 10? This is called interest, okay? When someone wants to borrow money, okay, why will someone lend money? If he will get something extra only, then he will give. So what is that extra? That extra is called interest, okay? So on which factor interest depends? Interest depends on time. If you will give it for more time, you will get more interest. If you will give it for less time, you will get less interest, okay? Secondly, interest depends on one other factor, that is called rate. What is that rate? Suppose your dad said I will return you 110, but your mom said I will return you 120. Then obviously you will lend to your mom, okay? So this, how do we calculate interest? This depend on rate of interest. Rate of interest is in percent. If we are giving on 10%, 5%, if rate of interest will be more, then simple interest you will be get more, okay? So what are the main factors of simple interest? I will explain you those now. What is principal? You had 100 rupees. We write it as P. You had 100 rupees. So that 100 rupees is your principal, okay? If whoever is the borrower, okay, he will and whoever is the lender, who is lending the money he has is principal, okay? Then you had 100 rupees. Now what is rate of interest? Rate can be anything. Rate can be 5%, 10%. How do we calculate that? I will tell you. So suppose we are taking 10% per annum. Rate we write in per annum. 10% per annum, okay? And time, suppose we are giving for 2 years. Your dad said to give you for 2 years, and then after 1 year it will be 110. After 2 years we will calculate that, okay? How do we calculate? We will see. Then what is simple interest? We denote rate as R and we denote time as N, okay? So this is principal, rate and time. So I hope you are getting it. You had 100 rupees. You are lending on this rate of interest and for 2 years. Then formula for simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal into rate into time upon 100. So what is principal? Principal is 100 here, okay? Suppose you will lend 1000 rupees, then you will write 1000 here, okay? Principal is 100, rate is 10, time is 2 upon 100, okay? So we will calculate this and we got 20 rupees, okay? Simple interest is 20. So after 2 years, because the time is 2 years, so after 2 years you will get your amount. what you will get after 2 years, that is called amount. We write it as A, and amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. This is very simple. After 2 years, he will return you your principal. You had 100 rupees and he will return you something extra. That something extra is 20 rupees here, because we calculated on 10% for 2 years. So this is you will get 120 rupees after 2 years. So this is the concept of simple interest. In next video, we will see about how do we calculate principal if we have amount, how do we calculate rate. Okay, so we will see those things. I hope you got it. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.